While the market for camcorders have largely disappeared due to the tremendous innovations from smartphone cameras, there is still a need for them. Yes, your smartphone can do the basic job of camcorders. Yes, they also have the added benefit of being tucked into your pockets, but for all their convenience, they still can't match the image and advanced features offered by high-quality camcorders such as the Sony FDR ax700. Now you may notice that the ax700 looks like just about every other digital camcorder. It's black with a 3.5-inch flip-out touchscreen and a variety of buttons laid out across the body. On top you have a highly compatible multi-interface shoe for accessories like external microphones or a flash. In total, the ax700 weighs 2.43 pounds with the battery, lens hood, and eye cup installed. In terms of dimensions, it runs approximately 4 inches tall, 10.5 inches long, and 4.5 inches wide with the lens hood and eye cup installed. You'll find the camera feels sturdy, yet lightweight and compact enough to remain comfortable even with extended use. Of all its features, the 4K video resolution is the one that will most likely jump out at you because it pushes out 4 times the amount of pixels as 1080p. This allows the capture of video in far greater detail, but you should know the quality of the final image depends greatly on your image sensor and lenses. This explains why 4K video shot from your cell phone won't look nearly as good as a camcorder of this caliber. Luckily, Sony knows the importance of good lenses and partnered with Zeiss to combine a custom 29mm wide-angle lens that has a 12 times optical zoom with a 1-inch CMOS sensor for some of the most stunning detail coming out of such a compact package. Sony also added some other professional features, including a lens ring for manual adjustments. This tends to be more common in high-end cameras. With a simple flick of the switch, you can assign the lens ring to adjust either focus or zoom depending on your shooting scenario. And for those times when manual focus just isn't right, the ax700 uses a number of advanced autofocus features. The fast hybrid autofocus system combines the company's enhanced image processing engine to improve focus speed on the camcorder's 273 phase detection autofocus points. This massive number of autofocus points covers nearly 84% of the entire image area, giving you maximum coverage for even rapidly moving subjects like kids, animals, or sporting events. Now, if you want to focus on a particular subject, simply tap the screen to switch between focus subjects, and a new custom algorithm will track your target in perfectly. One deficiency on the ax700 has to be the lack of support for 60 frames per second and 4K resolution. If you're looking for 60 or even 120 frames per second, you're going to have to shoot in full HD. From experience, this isn't all too bad, because if you shoot in full HD on this camcorder, it will also have higher image quality because it's using the 4K capture to down sample the 1080p video. You're also going to want a second battery because battery life is average at best. I'll be sure to leave links in the video description with the best prices for all my Sony ax700 gear. Overall, the Sony FDR ax700 really blurs the line between consumer and professional grade video gear. I guess that's why a variety of retailers refer to it as prosumer equipment. Most users will love the video quality, while some professional filmmakers will require something a little more. That being said, if you're an aspiring videographer like myself or an average home user looking for the next step in video production, then you'll find that the Sony FDR ax700 is a remarkable video recording device with a variety of pro-level features and exceptional quality that far exceeds any basic video camera or smartphone.